We guide you through how to use the same WhatsApp account on two phones quickly and easily. First, open WhatsApp on your primary phone and tap the three dots in the top right. Then, go to the link devices, tap link a device and authenticate with your fingerprint, Face ID, or passcode if required. Next, on your second phone, open WhatsApp and choose Use WhatsApp Web or Desktop. Then, scan the QR code displayed on the first phone's screen. Once the code is scanned, your account will be linked and you can send a device message from both devices. Keep in mind that the primary phone must stay connected to the internet for the secondary device to sync messages. And this method ensures you maintain the same account across two phones without needing multiple numbers or reinstalling the app.